Internet. Internet is a global network that connects millions of computers together. It is also known as network of networks. There are disadvantages and advantages. First of all, we are going to discuss about advantages. The first advantage is communication. With the help of communication, we can communicate with our friends, relatives through over the video calls and chats, etc. Now, second one is entertainment. We can entertain ourselves through watching the videos and movies, etc. Third one is online shopping. We can do online shopping through the internet. Now we are going to discuss about disadvantages. First disadvantage is online fraud. Online fraud is the biggest disadvantages. Now we are going to discuss about spreading spread of fake information. Many fake people and websites spread fake information easily. Now we are going to discuss third one is addiction. Addiction causes the lack of rest and wastage of time.